Getting more people vaccinated is proving to be a challenge in Sacramento County, where in some communities vaccination rates are way behind state averages, and health officials will need to convince people that getting a vaccination is safe. Public health leaders in Sacramento County have acknowledged the county has been falling behind when it comes to vaccines.
And when they look at the entire county, they're finding that some neighborhoods have lower rates than others. So for the latest efforts to let more people know about the available vaccines, we turn to KCRA3's Stephanie Lynn. Steph?
Yeah, one of those efforts in place is this vaccination clinic that we're standing outside of. This is at the Ellicott Medical Center on Watt Avenue here in North Highlands. But Sacramento County public officials tell me that they certainly do have their work cut out for them, because as you're about to see, there's a number of folks who live out here who still don't entirely trust the vaccine. Did you get vaccinated?
Yes, I did.
About half of the people we spoke with in North Highlands
Yes, I have.
said they'd gotten their COVID-19 shot.
I have a Pfizer.
And if not, we asked if they planned to.
I do.
Sacramento County officials releasing new figures this week showing vaccination rates across the area. Check out this map. The lighter the colors, the fewer people vaccinated. Both the North Highlands and Rio Linda zip codes showing among the lowest rates in the county, with less than 20% of people there fully vaccinated.
No, a lot of them don't care about it, which I think they should, because, you don't know who's the carrier.
Compare that to Rancho Cordova and Rancho Murrieta, both dark green, with over 40% vaccinated. We spoke with at least 2 North Highland locals off camera who said they had no plans to get the shot. One telling me they didn't trust the vaccine to be safe. The other citing the low mortality rate. Now keep in mind, the virus has been found to be more deadly than the flu and has killed nearly 600,000 people in the U.S.
I'm still taking the necessary precautions and wearing the mask, and I got a safety kit in my car, and I'm sanitizing it.
This woman telling us she's still not ready, despite her mother surviving COVID-19 and getting vaccinated.
I'm just waiting for, enough trial and error.
Science isn't always been trustworthy for people of color.
Sacramento County public health officials telling us there are many factors behind North Highlands' low vaccination rates.
There's a lot of things that go into it, such as misinformation. People are still thinking that the vaccine is a cost, but there's no cost.
Aware that more needs to be done to build trust in the vaccine.
And specifically for North Highlands, this is where we're expanding to work with faith-based organizations and other community-based organizations, so folks can know where and how to access the resources, language, and kind of combat a lot of that hesitancy.
Was it difficult for you to make an appointment?
No, it was pretty easy.
With local pharmacies like Rite Aid, Walgreens, and CVS all offering shots in arms, the issue may be less about supply.
I think the county is doing its job. I just think people are kind of, iffy on it, like myself.
Now, I also did ask that county spokesperson for the names of the specific community groups that the county is working with here in North Highlands to help get the word out about vaccines, to build trust in the vaccines. And that spokesperson did name Liberty Towers, they're a local faith-based group, as well as La Familia and Asian Resources Incorporated, also known as ARI. Reporting live from North Highlands, Stephanie Lynn, KCRA3 News.
Stephanie, thank you. We go